Here is what you'll need to shorten your iWALK 3.0 knee platform: a hacksaw, tape, sandpaper, a light-colored marker, scissors, a drill to make pilot holes, a screwdriver, and 2 small machine screws. Number 6. Machine screws work well. Your first step is to disassemble your iWALK 3.0. Start by removing the T-nut and T-bolt from the lower crutch assembly. Take the T-bolt and place tape on the threads as shown. Leave only about 3/8 of an inch of threads exposed. You will be using this tape as a guide when you remove the support tubes and lower tube from the knee platform. This example shows the T-bolt being inserted correctly into the hole on the side of the knee platform to depress the push-button spring. Be sure to only depress the push-button spring as far as the tape mark on the threads. When pushed gently and only a small distance, the push-button spring will pop back out fully as shown. This next example shows the push-button spring being pushed too far. The push-button spring is now stuck in the support tube and may not work properly when reinstalled. Using the proper technique, remove both support tubes. Now, remove the lower tube assembly from the knee platform. Again, only insert the T-bolt into the hole up to the tape mark. Remove the upper crutch assembly from the top of the knee platform. Finally, remove the knee strap from the knee platform. Never use a tool to remove the black buckle as it could break. Be sure to use your finger. You're now ready to modify the knee platform. Your iWALK 3.0 can be shortened by cutting it in one of 4 locations. These locations are behind the curved ribs that point towards the back of the knee platform. They can be seen here, 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 and here. The orange lines on this drawing show the 4 different locations where the knee platform can be cut to shorten the length. These locations can be seen again here, 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 and here. Choose the location that best suits your needs. The green objects represent the location for the 2 machine screws that will be mounted just in front of the cut location you have chosen. More on this later. Determine where the calf strap will be located. Take a piece of tape and place one edge against the back edge of the sliders that hold the calf strap locks. In this example, you can see the front edge of the tape, which will become your cutting guide, is not just behind one of the acceptable cut locations. Since the tape is in between 2 of these ribs, move the tape towards the back of the knee platform until it is just behind the next curved rib. Notice that there is about a 1/2 inch between the buckle sliders and the front edge of the tape. This 1/2 inch of space is needed so the machine screws can be mounted behind the buckle sliders. These screws will prevent the sliders from sliding off the shortened knee platform. Remove the calf strap and knee platform pad prior to cutting the knee platform. Place the knee platform upside down on a flat surface and use the hacksaw to cut the plastic. Start with the blade just behind the curved rib and just in front of the tape you placed across the knee platform as your cutting guide. Cut slowly at first, then proceed to cut all the way through the knee platform. Use the sandpaper to smooth all exposed edges and round all sharp corners. Install the knee platform pad back on the shortened knee platform. Turn it over and place the tape across the bottom of the pad about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch behind the new edge of the knee platform. This extra pad length will help provide protection from the new edge of the knee platform. Again, remove the knee platform pad. Use scissors to cut along the front edge of the tape. Place the knee platform pad back on the knee platform. With a light-colored marker, mark the location for the pilot holes for the machine screw mounting locations on each side of the knee platform. Mark the hole about 1/4 of an inch from the back end of the knee platform and in the middle of the slider rail. Using a drill, make 2 appropriately sized pilot holes on the marks you made with the light-colored marker for the machine's screws you plan to use, one on each side of the knee platform. Screw the machine's screws into the pilot holes. The screws will prevent the sliders from sliding off the back of the knee platform. Reinstall the calf strap onto the sliders. Your knee platform is now ready to be reinstalled on your iWALK 3.0, following the manufacturer's instructions. To reassemble your iWALK 3.0, follow these steps. Insert the lower tube assembly into the bottom of the knee platform. Align the push-button spring on the lower tube assembly so it points to the front of the knee platform. Insert and rotate counterclockwise until the push-button spring is just protruding from the hole on the side of the plastic socket. Now insert the upper crutch assembly into the top of the knee platform as shown. Be sure the 2 tubes are pushed all the way down into the sockets. This is necessary to ensure the support tubes can lock the upper crutch assembly into place once installed. Next, insert the left and right support tubes back into the bottom sockets on the knee platform. Make sure the push-button spring pops out fully through the hole on the knee platform. If the push-button spring doesn't fully engage all 3 parts, the support tube, upper crutch assembly tube, and the knee platform, the unit is not properly assembled and is not safe to use. You should be able to touch the push-button spring with your finger when correctly installed. Now, try to pull the support tubes and upper assembly tubes out of the knee platform by pulling on them as shown. If the tubes stay in place with the push-button spring just flush with the knee platform surface, then the tubes are correctly assembled. If either tube pulls out, then you need to remove the support tubes and reassemble. Insert the T-bolt through the support tubes and clamp. Tighten as tightly as possible with your fingers. It is important to keep this as tight as possible when using your iWALK. Finally, install the knee strap back on the knee platform. You're now ready to use your iWALK 3.0 hands-free crutch with your shortened knee platform.